What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to cover a little bit of what went down today, and we're going to jump into the end of the week, the last day of the trading week, Friday's game plan. So guys, before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you stay on top of these dynamite plays. And if you rock with me, you know them plays, we was knocking them out of the ballpark today. That Tesla ride was amazing. Shout out to everybody that caught it. We'll break that one down here shortly. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. As you see, we got a few things. You got import price index at 8:30. You got U.S. retail sales at 8:30. You got a couple things at 9:15 and business inventory at 10 o'clock. Guys, we do this. We practice this every single day. We sit back, we relax, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get on it. We'll be all over it tomorrow. But for right now, newbies and beginners, where y'all at? We ready to throw a couple plays out for you guys to look out for tomorrow and make some money off of. Right here, they're sitting at TSLL. They're sitting at 1750 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see 1775 get knocked out. They can knock out that. Boom, you come into 1810. They break through that. You got 1825 before they start trying to push higher. If you are a bear, you want to see them start taking out this level right here, 1672. They start opening somewhere up under 1750. This is where they head it down to tomorrow, 1670. Next level down, you got to run down to 1642. After that, you got turbulence at 1610 to about 1595. And then, man, they really can drop the ball at that point right there. Never know. Elon in the news a lot over the last week since President-elect Trump got elected, and I wouldn't doubt anything he get up and say something, or Trump say something about him, and you see Tesla popping tomorrow. However, if that doesn't happen, I got some low levels for TSLL and Tesla as well. We'll cover that here shortly, but next ticker up for the newbies is going to be HUT. They're sitting at 23.23. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 23.10 break. They can break that. They're going to start pulling this thing lower. You got 22.90, 22.70. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 23.40 get taken out. Then you got 23.60. And then these tops up in here at 23.75 before they start running it up to 24.10 and higher, 24.30. Last but not least, we're going to add hood on there. If you are a bull in hood, what you want to see is these tops at 32.30 get taken out. They're sitting at 32.15, but they break through that. They're going to try to run it up to these tops at 32.50 and slowly start pushing up. You want to see the break at 32.65. They can break through that. They're going to start running it up even higher. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this bottom right here at 31.90 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 31.70 and then this little bit at 31.60 before they start trying to bring it down to 31 even. All right, big baller shot callers, y'all come up to the table. We got Nvidia. They're sitting at 146.70. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 146.90 get taken out. They can take out 146.90. You got this area right here at 147.10. They break through that right there. What you want to see is this level right here at 147.50. They can break through that. Boom, they come into 147.90, and they're going to keep trying to chop this thing higher and higher. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 146.40 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming back down to 145.75 before they start dropping even lower. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. You see what they're doing right now. They're at 309.30, and we had some plays for Tesla in here. I called this drop. If you watch my videos, you see I called the downside on this when we were sitting up there about 350. I said, guys, this is the excitement right now. This is the Trump effect. All the excitement in the election right now. As soon as that simmer down, we coming back down and we coming back down lower. And I gave you levels to pay attention to. Man, shout out to anybody that took those levels when I called out to the downside. Once we hit that 350 mark, and roll puts down, congratulations to you. You are eating good. Don't forget to trim them profits and eat along the way. If you are a bear in this, you want to see them open under where we at 309.25, and you see they're steady dropping. You want to see 307.30 get taken out. We can take out that. Boom, we got 305.25. They lose that. You got 303.11. Ultimately, they trying to pull this thing back down to 299.65. You might get some reaction down there. And if they lose that level right there, man, you got this stuff down here at 295.55. I do expect them to make some noise around that 299.60 if we so happen to get to that point. But if you are a bull, simple, you want to see them open above 310.25. And next level up is going to be 311.60. They break through that, you got 313.15 on deck, and then this level at 314.80. We'll handle in real time with Tesla once Tesla start going through either the upside or the downside. It doesn't matter. We're going to get in either play. So whichever one looks favorable to us, that's the one that we're going to pounce on. Last but not least, we're going to throw SPY on here. They're sitting at 592.80. Guys, we was all over SPY as well. If you are a bear, what you want to see them open right around where we at now, 592.80, or you want to see them get to this level, 592.60. They break through that. Boom. We come into 591.95. We break through that. Boom. You come into 590.65. If you are a bull, what you want to see 593.40 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom. You got 593.70. They break that. I got a level up here at 594.40. Their next level up is trying to run it back up to this stuff in here at 595.65. We will be all over the SPY in real time whenever they get ready to start coming through those areas. We knocking these plays out of the ballpark. We call these plays SPY. Gave you the heads up at 10:30 SPY. As long as bears can keep them up under 596.65, they have a chance at a good pullback. Above it, bulls will start putting something together. That's your benchmark right there. And that's why I try to give you your levels to where the ceiling is at, to where they're going to get smacked every time they get there. It's guilty into proven otherwise, or innocent into proven guilty. If they keep getting smacked right there and they getting smacked at that ceiling and they coming back down until they break that thing right there, man, we not worried about calls. We not buying calls. And you see, they kept getting smacked down right there. And what happened? You see me walking that thing down. You already know what's happening. I said, family, these levels are still valid in SPY that I put out. You see Tiger knocking that hat down on the ground. We knocked it out of the ballpark. You already know. Now we sitting at 594.40. They still running that thing down. And as you see, Tesla, we knocking Tesla out. What time did we call that Tesla play? 10 o'clock this morning. Tesla, bulls are in trouble. They need to hold this level at 320.50. Losing that opens the door for a 316.45 attempt. Bulls need to recover 324.75 to put a hold on the bears' thoughts and fast. That didn't happen, and you see what happened at that 320 break? I'll show you what happened at that 320 break. You go back to the charts. We lost that 320 break right in here, 320. We were sitting right up in here, and I said, we lose these levels right up in here, she's out of there. And you see what happened? Boom. They tried to run it back up. Boom, we already at my level. I said 316. I said, if they start losing 316, we coming down to 310. And you see what happened? We came down to 310.40. Guys, we knocking these plays out of the ballpark. All you got to do is sit back, wait, be patient. You got to wait for these plays. Nothing is going to go in a straight line. They're never just going to come all the way down. If it was that easy, we'd all be millionaires. Have the patience, set that stop loss in a decent area, and sit back and enjoy the ride. It's going to come. If I tell you these plays is going to play out like that, you already know what's going to happen. Guys, I appreciate you guys rocking with me today. It was fun. We're going to close out the week with a home run. We're going to knock it out of the ballpark tomorrow. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.